Nowadays, people live longer than before. As we age, we may develop more chronic conditions and need more medical care and medication. The healthcare costs are increasing with the growth of the aging population and the higher demand for care. Healthcare staff shortages continue to rise, leading to increased demands, workload, and stress. Half of avoidable harm in healthcare is related to medication. 1 in 30 patients is affected by medication errors. A quarter of these are severe or life-threatening. Patients with multiple chronic conditions are often prescribed multiple meds with various intake moments during the day. It can be confusing understanding which meds are to be taken when. 75% of patients have problems taking their medication. 50% of patients don't adhere to their medication regimen, which can lead to insufficient disease control and negative health outcomes. We need to evolve with these challenges and be better and smarter, utilizing the pharmacy as it continues to play a pivotal role in the delivery of care to patients. The Multidose Medication Blister Card supports medication adherence and improves patient outcomes. Patients find it easier to manage as their medications are packed per dose for a week, making it easier to understand and handle. As they are less likely to forget or miss a dose, they are better able to control their conditions. The VBM 200F is a semi-automated solution for pharmacies and hospitals serving large patient groups to safely fill, verify, and pack medication in convenient week packs. Intuitive software guides the operator through the packaging process. Medication inventory managed through barcode scanning and RFID-equipped cartridges that enables expandable, flexible, and safe machine pill inventory management. All pills for 1 blister cup are dropped on the vision bed for verification. The VBM 200F ecosystem can be extended as the pharmacy clientele grows. More patients can be served more efficiently with a high level of dispensing accuracy. The VBM supports the pharmacy's workflow, reduces errors, facilitates better use of resources, and ultimately saves time and money. Automating routine tasks allows pharmacists and caregivers to dedicate more time to patients, improving care quality at a lower cost. For over 20 years, Global Factories has enabled pharmacies to support patients to live healthier, longer, and more independent lives. Please feel free to consult us about which of our blister card portfolio solutions is best suited for your business.